What's good, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about calculating and finding percent increase and decrease. But before I get into that, let's just touch on the basics of percentage. So these two problems, it asks us what is 15% of 90? So there's two ways we could do this, guys. We could do 0.15 times 90, and we'll get our answer of 13.5. So this is the most basic percentage question. You could turn it into a decimal, multiply it by the number, or you could put it over 100 and then multiply by 90, but you will get the same exact answer. Now, number two is a trick question, and I hope you guys understand. It says, what percent of 56 is 42? So this is how we solve this problem. We can do 42 divided by 56, and then multiply that decimal by 100. Once we do, we should know that 42 is 75% of 56. The other way we could do this, and this is for my equation students out there, we could set this up as a proportion, right? 42 over 56 is equal to x over 100. Once we set this cross multiplication problem up, we'll get 56x is equal to 4,200. And then we just solve like a regular equation. But now that we got the foundations down, let's talk about how do we actually find percent increase and percent decrease. So we're calculating percent increase and decrease, guys. And before we start, let's just look at the problem. So, young high school student wants to buy a game 2K NBA 2K23 for $99. The price is on sale for $59. We want to find the percent decrease. So just understand, guys, that this was the old price and this was the new price. Because sometimes students will just mix those two numbers around. So once we set our equation up, we're going to get 59, right? New minus old minus 99 all over the old price, which was just 99. And we're going to multiply our answer by 100. So once we simplify, we have negative 40 over 99. And once we multiply that fraction by 100, we're going to get an answer of negative 40%. So this is one way that we could express the answer. Or, depending on your teacher, you could put a 40% decrease. So this is problem number one on how we're going to calculate the percent decrease. Let's go back now and see if we could understand what is the increase for our second problem. So once we set this up, guys, it's going to follow the same exact format, just different numbers. So this is my old price. This is my new price. So we're going to do 340 minus 295, and that is going to be all over the old price of 295. All right, and we know at the end we're going to multiply this by 100%, or by 100, I should say. So now, guys, we simplify. We're going to get, I believe, 45 over 295. And once we multiply by 100, our percent increase, let's grab the calculator real quick, double check. Our final answer is going to be 15.25%. Now just be careful, guys. If they ask us to round to the nearest tenth, then our final answer would be 15.3%. So hopefully you found this video review helpful, guys. If you did, smash the like button for us. Quick review on how to find percent, specifically how to find percent increase and decrease in a problem. Thank you guys for joining us today. We really hope this video was helpful for you.